know what I'm saying? So not too much traffic.
What's the word? If you ain't fucking us, then why you here? It'd be hard to pay attention with this demon in my ear. My last bitch about got me wishing I ain't fuck. If you don't wanna die, I'm suggesting that you duck. They telling me to what?
At the spot waiting.
Fun to watch on Netflix.
If they told me on it, nigga, I'm dancing this bitch.
Bitch, I'll step through.
And now I fuck a bitch sister. Who you next to? I probably had the bitch at the spot waiting.
Fun to watch on Netflix.
Get this nigga off the dice if you don't
That shit.
If they told me on the beat, we on the
That's list.
If I can try to listen to me, I'll see if you dumb enough. Yeah. Let's strip him down if he ain't one of us. Bitches, they been on the nigga dick since I've been coming up. Maybe I just caught the CLS to fuck.
Fun to watch on Netflix.
Get this nigga off the dice if you don't
That shit.
If they told me on the beat, we on the
That's list.
in the neck, we be ready, we don't cock back. Stuck up in the field, applying pressure if it's contact. It's real shit, and if a nigga said it, then I'ma try to yank this F&E like it's a 23. I just spent another 20,000, I could've paid the least. I've been trying to catch him with his partner, bitch, we play for keeps. I don't do nothing, stuff it down the stove. Since this pussy nigga talking tough, and I keep 2 phones, I might fuck around and call his bluff. Heard they said it's money on my head.
Get away. I used to be an ass man, now I like titties. I used to be a stock man, so I got 50.
You sexy baby, come get with me. A Beamer boy, but I want Bentley. Yeah. Sing it like a Frenchie, yeah. A chipmunk cheek, she look like a little. Hey, hey, she gon' like Sinead. Bitch, I rock with micro. I don't told no AK.
Oh wait, that's true.
We put hoes in them, look. I just ran it up with the eyes against me.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, hear it.
Bitch, shout out to the lanes. Yeah. Can't what's wrong my name? And shout out to your shooter. Go get that nigga.
Getting money if I'm running late. Let me bust a play and then I'll take you on a date. I'll put you in Dior fly.
I'm the one knocking.